Building a personal brand on social media is a powerful way to establish yourself, share your expertise, and grow an audience that aligns with your values or business. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you build your personal brand on social media from scratch. Step 1. Define your personal brand. Identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What value can you provide to your audience? Focus on a specific area where you can offer unique insights or expertise. Clarify your purpose. What message do you want to convey? What do you want your brand to stand for? Your brand should be built around a purpose, whether it's helping others, inspiring change, or educating on a specific topic. Set your goals. Do you want to grow your following, attract business opportunities, or become an influencer? Define short-term and long-term goals for your social media presence. Step 2. Choose the right social media platforms. Understand your audience. Research where your target audience spends their time. Start with 1 or 2 platforms. It's better to master 1 or 2 platforms before branching out. Focus on where you'll get the best engagement. Step 3. Develop a consistent visual identity. Choose a color scheme. Select 2 to 3 colors that represent your brand and use them consistently across your posts, profile picture, and cover photos. Create a logo or icon. If applicable, design a simple logo or use a photo that represents your personal brand. Use consistent fonts. Choose fonts that align with your style and use them consistently in your posts, bio, and promotional material. Step 4. Craft your bio and profile. Write a clear and concise bio. Who are you? What do you do? Why should people follow you? Link to your website or landing page. Add a link to your website, blog, or a landing page to convert followers into customers or clients. Profile picture. Use a professional and approachable photo or logo for your profile picture. Step 5. Create high-quality content. Content strategy. Decide what types of content you'll create. Educational, inspirational, entertaining, behind the scenes. Content calendar. Plan your content in advance. Aim to post consistently. Content variety. Experiment with different types of content. Images, carousels, and videos on Instagram. Long-form videos on YouTube. Short-form videos. Infographics and quotes. Step 6. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and DMs. Engage with your audience by replying to comments and direct messages. Ask questions. Use polls, quizzes, and questions in your posts or stories to involve your audience and get feedback. Join conversations. Participate in relevant groups, chats, or comment threads within your niche. Step 7. Build credibility and trust. Share testimonials or case studies. If you offer services, share success stories or client testimonials to show your impact. Collaborate with others. Work with influencers or experts in your field to reach a broader audience. Show authenticity. Be genuine in your posts. Step 8. Grow your following. Use hashtags. Effectively, research and use relevant hashtags that align with your content. Run contests or giveaways. Encourage engagement and growth by offering valuable prizes. Paid ads. Consider running small ads to boost your reach and target specific demographics. Step 9. Track your progress. Use analytics tools. Monitor metrics like engagement, follower growth, and click-through rates. Analyze your content. See which posts perform the best and try to replicate that success. Step 10. Monetize your personal brand. Optional. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission. Offer products or services. Sell your own products or services. Brand partnerships. Partner with brands relevant to your niche for sponsored posts. Bonus tips for building your personal brand. Consistency is key. Post regularly, maintain your voice, and stay true to your brand identity. Be patient. Building a personal brand takes time, but with consistent effort, you'll see growth. Stay up to date with social media trends, tools, and features to keep your brand fresh. By following these steps, you can effectively build and grow a personal brand that resonates with your audience and helps you achieve your professional or personal goals.